In the video tutorial this time, I'm going to address arithmetic operator. That is the summation operator, reductio, multiplication and divisio. So there are 4 arithmetic operators which we are going to discuss in this video. We just go right ahead towards the tutorial. My first, create a variable that I named well, like that. I made the score like this. Then variable b. I also made the score like this. Next, we're gonna add up variable a plus variable b. How many results? We add it up. Don't forget to use commands like this. Don't forget to save by pressing Ctrl+S. Then try to RU. Well, the result is directly visible here. 50. I want a narrative. I want a statement. Indirectly the result is like this. Then I add here. If text we flank with pics. Yeah, like the previous video I explained. Then I added the result of, for example, like that year. Don't forget Ctrl+S. Let's see the results. Well, like this, there is a description or narration. Before the result, yes. The result of a plus b equals, yeah, like that, yeah. Then we will do it. Arithmetic operator, next, which is the reductio. Let's just copy this to make it quick. Well, this next one we replace. His narrative being a sign of. Then this also. Like this here. Then try to RU. Well, like this is the result. Next up is multiplication, yeah. We just paste it. Multiplication, that the symbol is the star. Okay, like that. Then let's see the results. Well, like this. Ext is the divisio. We just paste it to be quick. That divisio. The symbol is a slash. Like this. Don't forget Ctrl+S. Okay, the result is like this. For division, we see here, directly the data type is float. Directly. The result of a comma. The results appear. The commas are marked with dots. Yeah, like this. Okay. I think I've had enough video tutorials. This short and dense may be useful. Thank you.